Well, I normally film in lovely conditions, nice sunny weather, but today isn't that day. We're down by La Frigate Cafe and on the waterfront. Oh, and Paddy's decided to do a poo, so we'll take a break. Right, that's cleaned up. So, have a little walk in the rain, see what it looks like. It's quite windy as well, so I'll probably have to dub this. Right away, we've come across another tortoise. So, Paddy, come back. He wants to go on the beach. So this is Tortoise Takeover, which is a scheme. I think it's raising funds for Durrell, and I'm fairly sure I'm going to do a video where I try and find all 18 lovely porcelain tortoises that have been placed in St. Helier. There's more around the island. I'm not sure if I could walk around the whole island to find all the others though. So this is Terry the turtleneck tortoise, created by Donna Newman. Lovely. So out there is Elizabeth Castle. That'll be a trip for a later date. And I don't know if you can see it, but that is one of the amphibious vehicles. We used to call them ducks, that travel from just over there to Elizabeth Castle at high and low tides. So it's quite nice. Then all this part of town, including the Radisson Hotel and the flats that have just gone up behind them, they were all built on reclaimed land not so long ago. I'll have to check the dates, but all of this used to be in the sea. Paddy's tied me up in his lead. Paddy. Okay. It's actually lovely down here. Nice beds, garden beds. Hello. And then one of the harbours. Oh look, here's another tortoise. Let's see what this one is. Very colourful. Lovely. Vieux petit gervais. Oh, that's Helier's. I don't speak it. Created by Amy Bourbon. Lovely. Really nice. That's a beautiful one. Very nice. Oh, this one doesn't look like it's far off being ready. Oh, the one behind, people have moved in by the looks of things. One, 2 and 3 bedroom, waterside apartments.
I think it's yeah.
What? That's a loud spot. Oh. Oh, that's rather strange. A pig. It's not a real one. So I'm coming down here because I've got to pick up some medication from the pharmacy to hopefully prevent me having another heart attack. Goodbye, Paddy. Paddy. This is good. Hopefully this wind will dry me and Paddy out. Paddy? Paddy. Come on. We'll go through this way.
Aquele é um deles.
And this is where it started pouring down with rain again, so I decided to finish the video. Thanks to all of you who have watched my recent videos. Views, watch times and subscribers are all picking up. Next target, 200 subscribers. Come on!